Is it time to buy or sell SQQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of April, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since February 24, 2025, our system has identified SQQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.68. Now, let's examine the performance of this ETF during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 70% and 0.24 since we first designated SQQQ as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.27% per day since it was marked as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $50.58 would initially indicate a stronger rate of ascent. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 35.39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 9.13% to positive 36.50%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 32.45%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fall within the range of negative 68.75% to negative 32.32% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $15.68 and $33.95. Our latest daily update for SQQQ includes the headline, Volatile Ride for SQQQ ETF Price on Monday, moving between $43.24 and $57.80. The SQQ ETF price fell by 0.377% on the last day, Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, from $50.36 to $50.17. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 33.67% from a day low at $43.24 to a day high of $57.80. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day, along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, and in total, 225 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $11.29 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $64.95. And the lowest price was $26.21. Currently, the price is 22.76%, or $14.78, below the 52-week high, and 99.79%, or $23,499.78, below the all-time high on January 23, 2017, when the price reached $23,549.95. Recent developments surrounding the SQQQ, the Ultra Pro Short QQQ ETF, indicate a volatile market environment following President Trump's implementation of sweeping tariffs. This action has prompted a notable downturn in U.S. equity indices, catalyzing increased interest in inversely correlated exchange-traded funds like SQQQ, which gained traction amidst market uncertainty and saw a significant uptick in trading volumes. In March, SQQQ, along with other leveraged ETFs, reported double-digit gains, reflecting a surge in demand as investors hedged against market declines. The current inflationary pressures and mixed economic indicators appear to amplify this trend, with experts warning that leveraged positions carry substantial risk. The SQQQ remains suitable for short-term trading, especially given its structure designed for daily resets, allowing traders to capitalize on immediate market downturns. In the long term, SQQQ may face challenges due to inherent volatility and potential losses tied to constantly shifting market conditions. Continual scrutiny of economic metrics and broader market dynamics suggests that as long as uncertainty prevails, SQQQ could be positioned to benefit in the short term. However, investors should remain cognizant of the risks associated with trading inverse ETFs, which can be especially pronounced during periods of market euphoria or rapidly changing economic sentiment. The following signals have been identified for SQQQ. The SQQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $41.96 and $35.38. A drop below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, April 4, 2025, and so far, it has declined by 0.377%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, reducing overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $42.53 and $38.80. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SQQQ finds support just below today's level at $42.53. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $38.80 and $38.34. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this fund is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the fund moved $14.56 between its high and low, or 33.67%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 13.02%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SQQQ stands at 50.36. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a key point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SQQQ encounters its first support level at 42.53. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. A recommended stop loss is set at $48.33, reflecting a decrease of 3.66%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. The sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is SQQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SQQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect SQQQ to open higher by approximately 0.2 and start trading at $50.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.